Good morning, my dear students. Welcome you all to this session. Today's class, we are going to continue exercise 13.1. You can take page number 253 in your NCERT textbook. Okay, you can refer the questions from your textbook. Actually, in last class, we are given one number. We have to write that number in terms of exponential form, right? But here they are going to give you the exponents like powers. Some values will be given as powers. We are supposed to write the number for that question. Okay, so you can take page number 253. Okay, children, I hope you all have taken page number 253. Sixth problem, because last time we have discussed till fifth problem. In that problem, they have given you a number. We have to write that number as product of powers, right? So product of powers, that to prime powers. Okay, so first what you will do, you will do the prime factorization, then you will write that powers. Now sixth problem is simplify. So what is the first question given, children? 2 into 10 power 3. So actually this is given as some powers, multiplication of some powers. So what you have to do, you have to split it. 2 into 10 cube means how you will write? 10 into 10 into 10, right? So 10 is multiplied 3 times. Okay, 10 is multiplied 3 times. So now what you are going to do? Just multiplying. Okay, 2 into 10, 20. 20 into 10, 200. 200 into 10, 2000. So what is your answer? 2000 is your answer. So understood? Just simplify means you have to split it. You have to split everything like 2 into 10 into 10 into 10. Then you should multiply all the values. So the 2000 you will get. That is your answer. Okay. Next, what is the next question? Second question. 7 square into 2 square. 7 square into 2 square. So this is also written as multiplication of powers, right? So what you will do? You will split it up, right? 7 square, how you write it, children? 7 into 7 into 2 square, 2 into 2, right? So 7 square will be written as 7 into 7 and 2 square can be written as 2 into 2, right? So 7 sevens are 49. 7 sevens are 49 into 2 twos are 4. You can multiply this. 49 into 4. 9 fours are 36. 4 fours are 16. 19. So answer is 196. Okay, listen, I am just splitting this. 7 square is 7 into 7 and 2 square is 2 into 2. Okay, 7 sevens are 49. 2 twos are 4. So 49 into 4, 196 is your answer. Next, what is the third problem, children? 2 cube into 5. Right, what is the third problem? 2 cube into 5. I am just writing 2 cube into 5. So first what we should do? You should split it up and multiply it. So 2 cube, how you write, children? 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. 2 cube means 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. 2 twos are 4. 4 twos are 8. 8 fives are 40. So answer is what? 40. Just multiply and you should get some numbers like this, not the powers. Okay, because the previous problem only they have given you the number. We have to write the in terms of powers. Here they have given you the powers. We should write the number. Okay. Fourth problem. What is your fourth problem, children? 3 into 4 power 4. 3 into 4 power 4. So now I am just writing 3 into 4 power 4 means 4 into 4 into 4 into 4. Okay, so 4 power 4 means 4 is multiplied 4 times. 4 into 4 into 4 into 4. Okay, now 4 threes are 12, right? I am just see because it's a very bigger number, so you will miss in any one of the calculation. That's why 4 3s are 12. Then 4 4s are 16, right? 16 4s are 6 4s are 24, 64. So 16 4s are 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. Now you multiply 12 into 64. So it will be more convenient for us, right? So 12, 4 2s are 8, 6 2s are 12, 4, 6, 8, 6, 7. So answer is 768. Answer is what, children? 768. Okay. Next, fifth problem. 0 into 10 square. 0 into what? 10 square. So I told you any number multiplied by 0 is 0. So 0 into any powers, answer is 0. Okay. Next, sixth problem. 5 square into 3 square. 5 square into 3 cube. 3 cube. 5 square into 3 cube. Answer is what, children? 5 square into 3 cube. 5 square, how you will write? 5 into 5. 3 square, how you will write? 3 into 3 into 3. Right. 5 square, how you will write, children? 5 into 5. 3 square, 3 into 3 into 3. 5 5s are 25. 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27. Now can you multiply this 25 and 27? Yes. 25 and 27. 5 7s are 35. 7 2s are 14. 17. 5 2s are 10. 2 2s are 4. 5. 5 7. 675. Answer is what? 675 is your answer. Okay, so 25 into 7, just check once. 5 7s are 35, 7 2s are 14, 15, 16, 17. 5 2s are 10, 2 2s are 4, 5. 7, 675 is your answer. See, first I have multiplied 5 5s are, then 3 into 3 into 3, 27. Okay. Next, what is the next problem? Seventh problem, children. What is the seventh problem? 2 power 4 into 3 square. So what is the next problem? 2 power 4 into 3 square. So 2 is multiplied how many times, children? 4 times. Yes. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Yes, is it correct? Yes, because 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 4 times 2 is multiplied and 2 times 3 is multiplied. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. Into 3 3s are 9. I am just multiplying 16 into 9. Okay. 6 9s are 54. 14. 144. Answer is what? 144. Okay. 144 is your answer. 16 into 9 is what, children? 144. See, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. 3 3s are 9. So 144 is your answer. Okay. In your sixth problem, eighth subdivision is there, no? That is your homework. Okay. That's very easy. Okay, that problem. Next, seventh problem. That too, it is a simplify problem. Simplify means what? It will be given in powers. You have to do something and you have to get your answer. Okay. So listen, what it is given? Minus 4 the whole power 3. Whole power means what? This 3 is common for minus as well as 4. That is the meaning. Okay. So minus 4. So this this 3 power is common for this minus as well as 4. Okay. So minus 4 the whole power 3 means what is the meaning? Minus 4 into minus 4 into minus 4. Yes, that is your meaning, right? So if a number is power something, that number is multiplied that many times, right? So minus 4 power 3 na, minus 4 is multiplied 3 times. First I told you if these symbols are there, you should multiply only your numbers. 4 fours are 16. 16 fours are 64. Okay, 16 fours are what, children? 64. Now, minus into minus, plus. Plus into minus, minus. So, minus 64 is your answer. Okay. So, be very careful. First multiply only your number. Then multiply your symbols. Okay. Next, what is the next problem? Minus 3 into minus 2 the whole cube, right? Minus 3 into minus 2 the whole cube. So now what it is given? Minus 3. Okay. Minus 3 into minus 2 is multiplied how many times? 3 times, because minus 2 the whole cube. Minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. Okay. So listen here. You can put bracket also, because in order to avoid any confusions, this minus 4 is multiplied 3 times. Likewise, here minus 3 is multiplied 3 times. So minus 2 is multiplied 3 times and minus 3 is also there. So now what we will do? We will multiply all the values. 3 twos are 6. 6 twos are 12. 12 twos are 24. Now, first I have multiplied all your numbers. Then I should multiply your symbols, right? Minus into minus, plus. Plus into minus, minus. Minus into minus, plus. Okay, so answer is what? Plus 24. Okay, so when you are multiplying like this type of problems, first you should multiply your numbers, and I wrote as 24. Then I should multiply your symbols. So answer is what? Plus 24. Okay, what is your third problem, children? Third problem is minus 3 the whole square into minus 5 the whole square. Okay, what is the next question? Minus 3 the whole square into minus 5 the whole square. So, when it is minus 3 the whole square means what you will do? Minus 3 into minus 3. Right? Minus 3 the whole square means minus 3 into minus 3. Then minus 5 the whole square means minus 5 into minus 5. Yes? So, first minus 3 the whole square, how you will write? Minus 3 into minus 3. Minus 5 the whole square, how you will write? Minus 5 into minus 5. Now, I told you first you should multiply your numbers. 3 3s are 9. 9 5s are 45. 45 into 5. You can multiply and see, children. 45 into 5. 5 5s are 25. 5 4s are 20. 22. So, answer is 225. First I have multiplied your numbers. So next what you should do? You should multiply your symbols. Minus into minus, plus. Plus into minus, minus. Minus into minus, plus. So answer is plus 225. Understood? Next, what is the next problem? Fourth. Okay, fourth problem is minus 2 cube into minus 10 the whole cube. Okay, minus 2 the whole cube into minus 10 the whole cube. Okay, now what you should do, children? You should split it up, right? Minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2, because minus 2 the whole cube means minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. Then minus 10 the whole cube means minus 10 into minus 10 into minus 10. So 10 is multiplied 3 times. Minus 10 is multiplied 3 times. You should you should include your minus also. Okay, now next what you should do? You should multiply all your numbers. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Okay, 8 10s are 80. 80 10s are 800. 800 10s are 8,000. You multiply it and see, children. So answer is 8,000. Now, what first you have found your number multiplication. Next, what you should do? You should multiply your symbols. Minus into minus, plus, plus into minus, minus, minus into minus, plus, plus into minus, minus, minus into minus, plus. So next is your 8th problem. Compare the following numbers. See, this is one number and this is one number. You should compare both the numbers. Okay. So whether 2.7 into 10 power 12 is greater or lesser than 1.5 into 10 power 8. Okay. So first, can we compare this easily, directly? Actually, you can compare it, but now you don't know how to compare it. Okay. So once I teach you, you will understand it. Okay. So first, before by using this directly, we cannot compare it. So what you are doing is, you should again convert one power to a number. So this power to one number I should convert it. So 2.7 into 10 power 12. How you will write, children? 2.7 into 10 into 10 into, yes, you will write 10 12 times, you will multiply it. You will multiply the number 10 as 12 times. 10 into 10 into 5 times 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so actually what I have done, 2.7 into 10 I have multiplied 12 times. Okay, so what will be our answer? Actually, if I multiply this 2.7 into 10, it will become 27, right? Okay, see, 2.7 into 10 means 27. Then 27 into 10 are 270. 27 into 10, 270 into 10, 2700. Likewise, you will multiply and it goes on. So what will be your answer, children? 2, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 zeros. So this is what your answer. Listen, how you are getting this value as 2.7 into 10 means 27. Correct? Appa 27 into 10, 270. Then into 100, 2700. Likewise, if you multiply all the zeros, you are getting this answer. Appa 27 into 11 zeros you will get. Because actually 12 zeros will be there. But 1 zero is taken for this calculation. So 27 into 11 zeros. So this is what your answer. Okay, next. Next, what is the next question? 1.5 into 10 power 8. Okay, 1.5 into 10 power 8 you should do. So for this, how you will write, children? 1.5 into 10 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 into 10. Okay, so I have multiplied this 8 times. Okay, now 1.5 into 10 means what? 15, right? 1.5 into 10 is 15. So 15 including how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros. So 15, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 zeros. So this is what your answer. So if you compare this answer and this one, which is higher? Obviously this one is higher because it has more zeros. So we can say that 2.7 into 10 power 12 is greater than 1.5 into 10 power 8. See, if you can just compare one by one, children. Here we have how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 digits are there in this answer. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 digits are there. Obviously, this is greater when compared to this. Okay. So, I told you, you can directly judge this. How you can directly judge means, see, this is also one unit place and one decimal part. Here also one unit place and one decimal. So both the numbers look same. So don't compare the numbers now. First compare the number 10, because here also they have multiplied 10, here also they have multiplied 10. So in this, which have more power? 12, here 8. So this will be greater than this. So you can directly say like that, children, because see, this is also like ones place and decimal part is there. Only one decimal part is there. Here also we have ones place and decimal part. So we don't want to compare it directly. Okay. Next you go to the power. Here also they have multiplied 10. Here also they have multiplied 10. So first you check the powers. How much 10 which is multiplied more time. Here 10 is multiplied 12 times. Here 10 is multiplied 8 times. So obviously this number 2.7 into 10 power 12 will be greater than 1.5 into 10 power 8. Okay. Next, what is the second problem? 4 into 10 power 14 and 3 into 10 power 17. Okay. So actually we have to compare these two and you have to say which is greater. Okay. So both the methods you can say. First I told you, you have to check this number. Here 4, here also 3. Both are single digit number. So next go to the next 10 power 14 and 10 power 17. In this, which is greater? 10 power 17 is greater. So obviously here the 10 is multiplied more times. Here 10 is multiplied less times. So 3 into 10 power 17 will be greater than 4 into 10 power 14. Okay. If sometimes here also 14, here also 14 means you have to compare these two. The single digit numbers you should compare it. Otherwise, you have to compare both the power values. Okay. So, what is the next question? I can write like this. 10 power 14 means 4 into 14 times you have to multiply your 10. Okay. I am writing 14 times, children. Just multiply it. 10 into 10 into 10 into 10. Just check once. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 times I have multiplied 10. So how many zeros will be there? 4 into 14 zeros will be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So this is what will be your multiplication answer, because 4 into 10 means 40, 4 into 100 means 400. Likewise 4 into 14 times zeros are there. So 14 zeros will be there. Next 3 into 17. 10 power 17. Up 3 into 17 times you should write this 10. Okay, I am just multiplying. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay, so 17 times I have multiplied this 10. So what will be the answer? 17 zeros will be there, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. When you're writing, be careful, don't lose any zeros. Now I have got the answer for 4 into 10 power 14 as this answer, 3 into 10 power 17 as this answer. By checking this itself, you can find that this number is very large when compared to this. So obviously 4 into 10 power 14 is less than 3 into 10 power 17. So obviously 3 into 10 power 17 is greater, because I have already told you, right? When there are single numbers, you go to the powers. In this, which power is larger? That is greater. So 3 into 10 power 17 is greater than 4 into 10 power 14. Understood? Today's class we have discussed exercise 13.1. You know how to simplify from this session. I hope you all understood, children. Thank you.